Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how to get approved on the MaxBounty under the 5 to 6 minutes. You will get approved if you are following me step by step. I will assure you will must get approved on the MaxBounty and start earning some passive income with MaxBounty. So let's start it. So here we are. This is the MaxBounty front page, home page. So you have to click on become an affiliate. Just go and click on it and just click on it, join MaxBounty now. It's asking some information about it. There is a 1 2 3 4 5 steps is there. You may have to do with the first. In the first step you have to serve basic info, the security. There is security questions, contact, and your address and the experience. Let's go ahead. I have a fill already for you. Here is it. So there's a basic info. Just gonna write in your name and your company name. No matter if you don't have, just write your name and then password and confirm your password. So in the second step you have to choose a security question and answer yourself, just like who was your childhood hero. I said Rambo. In what town did you see your mother and father meet? I said Dubai. Just write anything here. It is no matter. The contact is there. You have to put your contact informations, like what is your email. You have to write your email, and then you have to write phone, whatever you have phone number. Then you have to write your mobile number here, and your time zone. This is when can you be reached. You have to select at the time when you are available, because when you will be finishing sign up in this account, they will contact with you. They will conduct a small meeting on the phone. They will ask you some questions about your experience in the affiliate marketing. So you have to choose when you are free. So they will call you on, if you will select early, I am free on the early morning, then they will call you on early morning. If you are selecting, as I am available in the evening, so I'm selecting here evening. So right here, go and write your Skype name. I have this Skype name I'm writing here. And how did you hear about the MaxBounty? I'm saying that from friend, or you can write that from my mentor, like I'm suggesting you. So I'm a mentor, I'm teaching you here, so that's why you have to write from my mentor. From the address field, you have to write here your street address and your city, and then you have to select your if you are from America, select from the list. If you are not American, let's go and write your name, province name, and select your country, and then your postal code. The most important part of the sign up form from MaxBounty is the step number 5, experience. Whether you have no experience, I know you all are beginner here, most of the people are beginner here, they don't have experience with CPA or affiliate marketing, but you have to write some experience, but you have to write something. For example, from this field, I would suggest you write third one. Never say I am a complete beginner. They never approve you, or never say I have a little bit experience but I have never received a payment from a network. Never choose this. I will suggest you to choose I have some experience and have received at least one payment from a network. So write it here. And in the experience, I have been doing affiliate marketing from a couple of the years with Amazon and Clickbank, and now I want to start with the CPA. So as the MaxBounty is a CPA network, so you have to write something like this. All of you never copy the same statement. Just move some word here up and down and write in your own word. I'm just giving you an idea that this is the most important phase. Why your account rejected? Because you are doing mistake here in this form, in this part of the form you are doing mistakes. How do you intend to promote the offers? I will promote with Bing ads and social media paid traffic. Never write that I will on Facebook or social media with the free sources, because they are preferring a person who is looking for to run ads on their affiliate links. So you have to choose with these things. You have to write something like this. Then what offers are you looking for? So weight loss offer, or you can maybe write here gaming, or you can write there health and beauty offers, and whatever you are looking for, just go and write over there. Your website URL, if you have any website, right here URL, or you have any landing page, just go ahead and move on into your URL. This is my actual domain. I have not created my incentive website. This is account for an incentive traffic. Just go ahead and set there no. Just ignore it and say the next. In next field you have to check these all the boxes, the privacy terms, and then click on the finish. When you will be finish it, then they will contact you a call like this to confirm your applications. Within a few minutes you will receive an email from the affiliate in MaxBounty. They will give you an email. In the second step, application review, and at this third step they will conduct a phone call. You have to tell about your experience as it is are right in the part 5. Look, I have told you before that just say that yes, I have worked for, I'm working with the Amazon, or I'm working with the Clickbank, or and so just be confident during the call. They will be hardly 2 to 3 minute call, and so you have to tell them about your experience. So there is a video how you have to got approved on the MaxBounty. If you still have any problem, just contact us on the Facebook. I have dropped the link down in the description of our Facebook group Online Earner, or just drop your comment below. And in the next video I'm going to tell you how to get approved on the Peerfly, as Peerfly is another CPA platform. Just go and subscribe my channel and like my video. So never forget to press the bell button. Hope you all enjoy this video. See you soon.